Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Susruta Samhita Chikitsa Sthana. Chapter 9 Kushta Chikitsidam Medical Treatment of Cutaneous Affections Part 4 Neelagrita Vayasi Falgu Tiktanam Shadam Dattva Pradak Pradak Dve Loha Rajasaha Praste Tribalatraya Adagam Tatha Tridrone Abhi Pachit Yavat Bhagav Dvavasanadhabe Vayasi, Falgu and Tikta, each weighing 100 pala, 2 prastha measures of powdered iron, 3 adaga measure of tribala, 2 adaga measures of asana should be boiled together with 3 drona measures of water. Shishtav cha vipajit bhuya edaihi slakshana prabeshidaihi kalkaihi indriya vyosha त्वक् दारु चतुरङ्गुलैः पारावतपदी दन्ति बागुजी केशराह्वयैः कण्डगार्या च. This decoction should be taken down when reduced to 1/4 of its original measure and cooked again with a quantity of clarified butter and with a kalka consisting of Indrayava, Trigadu, Twak Devadharu, Aragvada, Paravadapadi, Dandi, Baguchi, Kesha, Arahwa, and Kandagari. Tat pakvam kritam kushtishu yojayet dosha dhadvi asritam. The patient should be made to drink this medicated clarified butter krita when the disease would be found to have attacked the dhatu or to have become involved in the aggravated doshas of the system. Panat abhyankat tvaggadam tatha. The disease patches should be rubbed with it in the event of the affection being found to be confined to tvag alone. Apyasadyam nranam kushta namna neelam niyachadi. Even the type of kushta, commonly held to be incurable, asadya, has been found to prove amenable to the use of this medicated clarified butter, grita, which is known as Neela Grita. Maha Neela Grita. Tribalatwak, Trigadugam Surasa, Madhayandiga. Vayasya Aragvada cha esham, Tulam Kuryat Pradak Pradak. Kagamachi Arka Varuna Dhandi, Kudacha Chitragat, Darvi Nidikti Kapyam to, Pradak Dashapalam Tatha, 3 Drona Abham. A tula weight of the drug known as Tribhala, Twak, Trigadu, Surasa, Madhayandika, Vaisi Aragvada, and 10 pala weights of each of drug known as Kakamachi, Arka, Varuna, Dandi, Kudaja, Chitraga, Daru, Haridran, Kandagari should be boiled together with 3 drona measures of water. Pajid Yavat Shat Prastam, Parisheshidam, Shagrat Rasa Dadikshira Mutranam, Pradak Adagam, Tadvad Gridasya Tad Sadhyam, Bhunimba Vyosha Chitragaihi, Karanja Fala Nili Gashyama, Aval Guja, Pilu Bihi, Nilini Nimba Kusumaihi, Siddham Kushtabaham Kritam. This decoction boiled down or reduced to 6 prastha measure should be again boiled with the watery secretion of cow dung, cow's urine, milk, curd and clarified butter, each weighing an adaga, and with the kalka of Bhu Nimba Trigadu Chitraga Karanja fruit, Neeliga Shyama, Avalkuja Pilu Neeliya Nimba flower. It is a curative for Kushta. Mrakshana Angasavarnyam Shvitrinam Janayendranam Bhagandaram Krimin Arsho Mahaneelam Niyachadi. The rubbing of the disease patches with this grida, savarnyam, imparts savarnyam, that is a healthy and natural color to skin, in case of shvitra or white leprosy. It also cures disease like Bagandhara, fistula in ano, creamy worms in intestine and arches. It is known as Mahaneela Grida. Mutram Gavyam Chitraga Vyasha Yuktam, Sarpihi Kumbe, Kshaudra Yuktam Stidam Hi Pakshadurtva. A compound consisting of cow's urine, chitraga, trigado and honey should be kept for a fortnight, paksha, in a closed earthen pitcher which formerly contained clarified butter. Shvitri bihi peyamedat, kuryacha asmin kushtadishtam vidhanam. A shvitra patient would do well to take this medicine after this period. He should also observe the rules of diet and regimen of a kushta patient. Podiga Arkasnuhi, Narendra Drumana Mutraihi Pishtaha, Pallavaha Somanashascha, लेपः श्वित्रं हन्ति दद्रुव्रणांश्च दुष्टानि अर्शसांश्च एषा नाडी व्रणांश्च. Application of a leba prepared by pasting tender twigs of pudika, arcus nuhi, aragvadya, and of jadi flower with cow's urine would prove curative in case of Shvitra, Dadru ringworm, Vrana ulcer, Dushtani arshas, bad type of hemorrhoids, and Nadi Vrana sinus. Asmadurdvam nisrude, Dushtarekte, Jada pranam sarpisha, sneha yitva. In case the foregoing medicinal remedy prove ineffective, the patient should be nisrude dushtarekte, duly bled for the purpose of letting out the vitiated blood from system, and Jada pranam, after sufficiently recouping his strength, his body, Sarpisha Snehayitva, should be anointed with clarified butter. Tikshnehi yogaihi chardayitva praghadam paschadhosham nirharecha apramattaha. Tikshnehi yogaihi chardayitva. Copious vomiting should be induced with the help of strong emetics. And patients should be treated subsequently with a judicial administration of purgative. दुर्वंदो वा दुर्विरक्तो अभिवास्य कुष्ठे दोषे उद्धते व्याप्त देहः निस्सन्दिग्धं यात्या साध्यत् आशु. The aggravated dosha of the body not being fully expelled from organism of a kushta patient by means of the preceding emetic and purgative measure tend to extend all over the organism vyapti, and the disease in consequence thereof is sure to lapse into one of an incurable type asadhyam. Tasmat krisana nirhare tasya dosha. So the aggravated dosha should be fully eliminated from the organism. Pakshat paksha chartana abhi ubeyan masan masad. Sramsanam cha abhi deyam. Emetic should be administered to a kushta patient once a fortnight. Pakshat. Sramsanam once a month. Sravyam rektam vatsarehi dviralpam. Nasyam dedyacha triratra triratra. Sravyam rectum, he should be bled twice a year, though not profusely. Nasyam, medicated snuff should be administered to him every fourth day. Chodana in Kushta, emetics, Chardana, once a fortnight. Pakshat, Sramsana, once a month. Rektasravam, Vatsara Dviralpam, twice a year. Nasyam, every fourth day. Triratra, Triratra. Patyavyosam se ikshujadam satailam leadva shikram uchyade kushtaroga. Internal application of haridagi trigadu and ikshu mixed with oil would lead to early recovery of a case of kushta. Dhatri patya ikshu upakulya vidangan kshaudra ajya abhyam egado va avalihyat. As an alternative, he should use a lumbative, that is avalehya, medicinal compound of amalaga, aksha, pipali, vidanga mixed with honey and clarified butter. Pitva masam va palasham haridra mutrena andam pabarogasya gachet. Or he should take a pala weight of haridra with an adequate quantity of cow's urine every day for a month in order to get free from kushta. Evam peyaha chitragaha slakshana pishtaha pipalyo va purvavat mutrayukta. Or the same quantity of fine powder of pipali or of chitraga should be given to him through the same vehicle and for the same period, which would cure him of kushta. Tatvattarkshyam masamatram cha peyam tena jasram dehamalebhyecha. The same quantity of the fine powder of rasanjana should be given through the said vehicle and in the same manner for a period of 1 month, masamatram, and the same should also be repeatedly applied externally. Deham alaipayed. Arishte twak sapta parnicha tulya laksha mustam panjamulyo haridre manjishta aksho vasago devadharu patyavahni vyoshadatre vidankaha samanya amsham yojayitva vidangaihi churnam kritva. The bark of arishta saptaparni laksha musta dashamuli haridra dharu haridra manjishta aksha vasaga devadharu patya chitraga trigadu amalagi vidanga taken in equal part and pounded together should be mixed with powdered vidanga weighing as much as the total weight of the preceding drugs. तत् फलोन्मानमश्नन् कुष्ठा जन्तुः मुच्यते त्रैफलं वा सर्पिर्द्रोणं व्योषयुक्तं च युञ्जन्. The patient should be made to take a pala weight of this pulverized compound every day for a month, or he should be made to drink a drona measure of medicated clarified butter cooked with powder of triphala and trigado. Gomutra, Ambudrona, Siddhe, Akshapide Siddham, Sarpi Nashaye cha Abhi Kushtam. As an alternative, Akshapida should be boiled in a drona measure of cow's urine. Clarified butter cooked in this preparation may be used as a remedy for kushta. आऋग्वेदे सप्तपर्णे पढोले स वृक्षगे नक्तमाले स निम्बे जीर्णं पक्वं तद्दरिद्रा द्वये हन्यात् कुष्ठं मुष्कगे च अभिसर्पिः. An adequate quantity of old and mature clarified butter should be boiled with Aragvada, Saptaparna, Padhola, Vrikshaga, Naktamala, Nimba, two kinds of Haridra and Mushkaga. This medicated ghrada thus prepared would lead to destruction of kushta. Rodrarishtam patmagam rektasaraha saptahu akshau vrikshagho bijagascha yojaha snane dahyamanasya jantoho peyavasyad kshaudra-yukta tribhandi. Drugs such as Rodra, Nimba, Patmakashta, Rektachandana Saptaparni, Aksha Vrikshaga Bijaga should be administered in the bath of the patient in the event of there being any burning sensation, or a portion consisting of honey and pasted tribhandi should be given to him. Ghadir Kushti, Masam Shate, Puranan, Mudgan, Siddha, Nimbatoyet Satailan. Old and matured mudga, boiled in decoction of nimba and mixed with oil, should be given to the patient as a drink, where sloughing would be detected in the diseased locality. Nimba kwadam jada satvaha, pibedva kwadam va arka alarka sapta chadana. Decoction of nimba or that of arka, alarka and sapta chada should be given to him if there be any worms in the diseased locality. Jagdeshu, Angeshu, Ashvamarasya. Moolam lebo yuktaha syad vidangaihi samutraihi. The affected part of the body should be plastered or with the roots of ashwa, mara and vidanga pasted with cow's urine in the event of its being eaten away by worms. Mutrasya enam sejayet Bojayecha sarvaharan samprayuktan vidangaihi. Cow's urine should be sprinkled over the diseased locality and all food of the patient should be given with powders of vidanga. कारंज वा सर्षभं वा क्षदेषु क्षेप्यं तैलं शीघ्रकोशाम्रयोः वा पक्वं सर्वैः वा kadushnaihi satikhtaihi. As an alternative, the affected part should be rubbed with oil of karanja, mustard, sarshabam, shigru or koshamra, or with an oil cooked with pungent, kadu, ushna, heat-producing, tikta, bitter substances. Shesham च स्यात् दुष्टवत् संविधानम measure laid down under the head of Dushtavrana should be resorted to in a case where the aforesaid remedy would fail to produce any beneficial effect. Thank you for watching our video. Like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.